In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Claude with Perplexity AI. You don't need coding, extensions, or complicated setup. This is just a smart workflow that lets both AI tools work together efficiently. Let's start from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to claude.ai. Once the page loads, you'll arrive at the main Claude interface where all your chats are stored. Now look at the left side of the screen. You'll see a plus icon. Click that plus button to create a brand new conversation. Starting with a fresh chat is important because it keeps the context clean. Claude performs much better when the conversation is focused on one task, instead of mixing multiple topics together. Now let's talk about what connecting Claude with Perplexity actually means. Perplexity AI is very good at retrieving information from the internet. It can quickly find updated answers, summaries, and research from multiple sources. Claude, on the other hand, is extremely strong at reasoning, analyzing information, summarizing complex ideas, and generating deeper insights. So instead of choosing one tool over the other, you combine them. You first collect information from Perplexity AI, then you paste that information into Claude and ask Claude to process it further. This creates a workflow where Perplexity handles discovery and Claude handles synthesis and explanation. Now let me show you exactly how to do it. After opening your new Claude chat, go to Perplexity AI and copy the information or answer you want to analyze. Then return to Claude and paste the content directly into the message box. But don't just paste raw text alone. You should also include a clear instruction telling Claude exactly what you want it to do with that information. For example, you can type something like this. Here is the data fetched from Perplexity AI. Recent advancements in AI include deep learning models for image recognition and natural language processing, particularly transformers. Now please summarize this information and provide an insightful answer on how these advancements impact the future of AI research. This structure works really well because it separates the imported information from your instruction. Claude immediately understands that the first part is reference material from Perplexity and the second part is the task you want completed. Once your prompt is ready, simply press Enter or click Submit. Claude will now analyze the information you pasted. In most cases, it will summarize the key points first, then expand on them by explaining future implications, practical applications, and deeper insights related to the topic. For example, in this case, Claude may explain how transformer models changed natural language processing, improved AI assistance, accelerated automation, and influenced future AI research across industries like healthcare, robotics, education, and software development. One useful thing about this workflow is that you can continue improving the response inside the same conversation. If the answer feels too general, you can ask follow-up questions immediately. For example, you can ask Claude, explain this specifically for healthcare, or how will this affect AI jobs in the future, or even give me real-world examples of companies using this technology. Because Claude already remembers the context from the earlier message, the responses become more detailed and more accurate with every follow-up. This is why keeping everything inside one chat thread is very powerful. Another important tip is to keep your prompts clear and direct. Avoid overly complicated instructions. The simpler and more focused your request is, the better Claude usually performs. This workflow is especially useful for students, researchers, YouTubers, bloggers, marketers, and anyone who works with information daily. You can use Perplexity to quickly discover updated facts, and Claude to use to transform those facts into structured insights, summaries, scripts, reports, or explanations. And the best part is that the process only takes a few minutes. So that's how you connect Claude with Perplexity AI in a simple and practical workflow. Open claude.ai, create a new chat using the plus button, copy findings from Perplexity AI, paste them into Claude with a clear prompt, submit the message, then use Claude to summarize, analyze, and expand the information.